What is up, everyone? It's your boy 310 back again with another video. Today I will be unboxing a couple of things that I ordered for my current setup. It's basically just a couple of minor upgrades for my desk. I'll be briefly going over each item, and I'll probably go over where I'll be putting these items on my desk. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and check out the rest of my content. Now, let's get on with the video. So one of the things that I want to use this setup for is for live streaming, and I want to be able to use the camera that I'm currently recording on, which is the Sony a6400. But in order for me to capture that image from my camera, I need a capture card, right? So the first thing that I'll unbox here is the Elgato Camlink 4K. Now I know there's other cheaper capture cards in the market, but the reason I got this particular one is because I wanted to be able to output in 4K, mostly because I record my videos in 4K, so I definitely want to keep that going. The other capture cards, they say 4K, but they don't output 4K. They just display the 4K image, but they don't output, so I needed something that outputs 4K. So yeah, this is the Elgato Camlink 4K, so why don't we open this up? So yeah, here's the box for the Camlink, and I got myself my box cutter, so let's open this up. And you know, maybe this isn't the super most exciting unboxing, because if you know what this is, then you know, you kind of know what you're expecting, but I'm kind of excited, you know, because it's just a minor upgrade for my setup here. So here's what's inside the box. It's another box. So let's kind of open this and reveal what's inside. So there's the Camlink, and I believe this is just an extension cord or an adapter, just to provide some extra extension, and it also comes with some stickers. So yeah, let's sort of take this out. So yeah, here's the Camlink. It is a small item. This goes directly into available USB slot, and then there's the HDMI port. So yeah, basically you plug this into any available USB spot. I do know that it has to be a USB 3.0. If it's 2.0 or below, this might not work properly. So you have to make sure that your computer system or whatever system you use has a USB 3.0 port for this to work properly. So luckily my PC does have that USB 3.0 port that I can use this for. So yeah, there's the Camlink right there. I'll definitely get some use out of this. So yep. So the next item that I have here goes hand in hand with the Elgato Camlink. So I definitely need something to connect my camera to the Camlink, and all it is the HDMI cable. I do have HDMI cables, but I don't have one that is micro, which plugs into my camera. So that's what this is, HDMI to micro HDMI, and I'm pretty sure this fits my camera. Yeah, it definitely fits my camera. So there's the micro HDMI, and then there's the regular HDMI. So yeah, this end is gonna be connecting to the Elgato, and then this end is going to be connected to my camera, so that the signal can be sent from the Camlink to my camera, so that I can get an output from my camera. So yeah, this is definitely something I needed, and it's some Amazon brand. I don't know what the brand is, but this is what the bag looks like. It's just called High Speed, but it's an HDMI cable. It should work fine, and if it doesn't, I could easily return it, but I'm fairly certain this will work. So the last item that I have here is going to be a desktop mount. Basically what this is for is that I can clamp this to my desk and mount my camera on top. This is by a brand called Small Rig, and they're known for making mounts for cameras, desks, and things like that. And I actually have a rig on my camera right now, which works pretty well. But yeah, this is a desktop mount that, like I said, clamps to the desk, and I'll be able to mount my camera on the top. So let's unbox this real quick. I was gonna get the Elgato mount, but then I saw this one, which was like $20 cheaper. So I mean, it's gonna serve the same purpose, so might as well get it from a brand that I've used already. So yeah, it's just basically a mount goes to your desk and you mount whatever you want on top of there. There's the extra box in here. I wonder what this is. Oh, this is like a, I think I know what this is. Hold on. This is like another swivel head that it comes with. I don't know if I'll be using this, but it is handy to use for maybe lights, and yeah, it's swivel head. So I don't know if I'll be using this. I'll probably use the one that's on the mount, but this can be handy. I might be able to use it, but I'll put it away for now. So this small rig desktop stand has a weight load of 22 pounds. If you're using the mount that's stationary, if you're using the mount that kind of swivels, I think the payload is about 6 pounds because it's a different type of support, and it extends to up to 39 inches. So that's more than enough length that I need so that I can mount my camera to my desk. So yeah, that's basically all of the items that I got to upgrade my current setup. Why don't we set this up right now, shall we? This is what my current setup looks like. There's my PC, PS5, and everything else. I previously did a video, if you want to check it out, of me setting everything up here on my desk. Where I had my camera set up right now is sort of this left area of the desk. So I don't know if I want to put that mount here or if I want to do it directly behind the monitor there. I kind of like the current setup that I have as far as the camera. I might put it here and then eventually buy another mount for the center, or I can just probably easily move it around if I start live streaming. So yeah, let's set it up here and see where that goes. Hi everyone, so I'm here in a different angle, so the side where I'm planning to put this rig on, and I'm going to install it now. So it's easy as twisting this and getting the length of your desk so that you can clamp it on. So yep, that should be enough, or a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Now let's tighten it. So you can kind of see the rig here. I think it looks good here, so I'll leave it here for now and then mount the camera on top. What's up, y'all? So yeah, I ended up putting the small rig on the desk, and my camera is actually on the small rig already. I also ended up using that little swivel head that came with the small rig so that I can move my camera around wherever I want. And yeah, everything looks good so far. I think this is pretty stable. I mean, there's a little shake there. What I wanted to do next is, I mean, this is a simple install. I just plug it in and I'm good to go, but let's install this into my PC, shall we? Yeah, here's the Camlink, and I think I'm actually gonna use this extender so that I can plug this directly into my PC and have a little bit of wiggle room for the Camlink. So let's do that now. So here's the back of my PC. Don't mind the cable mess, I'll eventually clean that up. So here's the USB port, or the USB cable, and I believe I have an available slot there. Uh-oh. Come in. Just get in there, dog. Perfect. It is inside an available USB port that I have. And then there's the Camlink. And then I will be plugging in my HDMI cable there. And then the other end will go on my camera. So I'll leave this up here for now. Hopefully it stays. Yeah, that looks good. So yep, there's my Camlink installed or plugged in. All right, y'all, so I finished installing my small rig, which is now hooked up to my camera, and I also plugged in my Elgato Camlink. The HDMI cables here, you can only assume that I'm going to plug this in and eventually use it. So yeah, that'll pretty much do it for this nice little setup upgrade. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out the rest of my awesome content. That'll do it for this video. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.